So by now you know that Nothing is preparing to launch the Phone 4B on July 7th, but like most upcoming smartphones, this one is also surrounded by a lot of mystery. The design isn't completely clear, the specifications aren't official yet, and even its position in Nothing's lineup has people confused. Still, a few leaks are starting to paint a picture of what we can expect. Let's start with the processor. Based on a recent Geekbench listing, the Phone 4B could be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. The benchmark also mentions Android 16 and 8 GB of RAM, although the final memory options could be different at launch. Now, in terms of performance, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 is a capable mid-range chip built on TSMC's 4nm process. It should comfortably handle everyday tasks, multitasking and gaming, but it's not designed to compete with Snapdragon 7 or 8 series processors. Considering where Nothing appears to be positioning this phone, that honestly isn't too surprising. Then comes the pricing. Current leaks suggest the Phone 4B could launch at around 25,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees in India, which roughly translates to about $265 to $320. If that turns out to be true, a lot of people will probably question the value, especially if the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 ends up being the final processor, but hardware is only part of the equation. Nothing has built a strong reputation for its software experience, clean interface, and consistent updates. While Nothing hasn't announced the Phone 4B's software policy yet, if it follows the Phone 4A, we could see 3 years of Android updates and 6 years of security patches, which would certainly make the package more attractive. The design is where things get really interesting. Some official teasers appear to show a single rear camera, while newer teasers clearly show 2 large camera rings. Personally, I think the latest teaser is more likely to represent the final design since it's the newest one released by Nothing, and it also lines up with what recent leaks have been suggesting. That makes me lean towards a dual camera setup, although there's still a possibility that the second circular cutout houses a depth sensor or another auxiliary sensor rather than a second fully functional camera. Now here's the bigger question. What exactly is the Phone 4B? Is it replacing the Phone 4A, or is it taking over from the CMF lineup? From everything we've seen so far, it doesn't look like a replacement for either. Instead, it seems like Nothing is creating an entirely new product tier that sits between CMF and the A series. Think of it as a more affordable entry into the Nothing ecosystem while still carrying the company's signature transparent design and software experience. Some reports even speculate that the hardware may have originally been intended for a cancelled CMF Phone 3 Pro before being reworked into the Phone 4B. At the end of the day, if the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 leak, the expected pricing, and the simplified design all turn out to be true, then the Phone 4B isn't trying to beat the Phone 4A. Instead, it's introducing a new tier in Nothing's lineup with a different balance of hardware, design, and software. Whether that balance justifies the asking price is something we'll only know once the phone is official. We'll get the complete picture on July 7th, but if Nothing's track record is anything to go by, we'll probably learn a lot more before then through its usual teasers and hints. Until then, these are the most credible details we have. Peace.